Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making the real Jamaican pumpkin punch. If you like the content and hope to see more videos like this, please like, share, comment and hit that subscribe button. Here I have my pumpkin sliced into small pieces. You can chop them into cubes if you like. My vanilla lasco, dragon stout, vanilla, condensed milk. This is the cinnamon, vanilla and nutmeg flavor, and my supple gin. Prior to this, a pot of water was set to boil. Then here I added my sliced pumpkin to cook. I then came back and checked my pumpkins after about 2 to 3 minutes and it was ready. After which I added my cooked pumpkin in the same water to my blender and blended it. I then began to add my other ingredients. First, my dragon, then my supple gin. Please note that you can add the ingredients in whichever order you like. Then my condensed milk, then my lasco. Please note that it's the same thing in the jar. Then my vanilla and stirred everything a bit. Then I blended everything together until smooth. Look how smooth and nice the texture is, guys. The finished product was then poured into a jug. Looks so tasty, right? I then poured some into a glass with ice to serve chilled. It tasted amazing. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and stay tuned for the next. Peace.